LaCroix Jr. I am President and General Manager of Millard Wire Company. I have been at Millard since the fall of 1991, so we're going on 29 years. I've been president 11 years now. This is Production Foreman's office. Is what we call Command Central. Desk here is Production Foreman Steve, Quality Control Foreman Mike, Materials Hand and Will. It measures the width of the material. Stamped product, little door knocker. So we'll use that to measure the width. When I started here, I worked on the floor as a machine operator. I went from there into the maintenance department. From there I went to the office and did purchasing, sales, quality control. Went back out onto the floor as production foreman. And now I'm back in the office doing purchasing, sales, quality control again. So yeah, being on the floor gave me a good opportunity and a lot of knowledge of how the product is made and a better idea of how to sell it. So we have what we call heavy-duty wire drawing machines. Those are the bigger machines that are drawing down a larger diameter wire. Slitting department where the material goes through a set of metal knives. So it's coming in wide, it's being finished slit, about a ½ inch wide, per the customer specifications. And we take a little bit of edge scrap to make sure we keep the edges nice and clean. Again, this is called finish slitting. Then we have a fine wire department. Those are mainly made up of what we call whole Niehoff wire drawing machines. They came out of Germany many years ago.
Right now we're just using the downstairs. We got the upstairs as well. Now we're going a smaller diameter, not as big as that one. A bigger diameter here, so we don't need all the dies, just using this down here. And there's a certain wire, a die draft you gotta go by to break it down.
Then we have what we call the furnaces or the annealing ovens. Right now we have 9 of those. And then we have our QC, final inspection area, and then our shipping department. This right here is annealing brass. Coming through a set of wipes. The wipes are already residue from the wire drawing operation. Coming through a set of tubes into the furnace, and all these tubes have hydrogen flowing through them to keep the wire bright and clean during the annealing process. Well, the finished product comes off the final operation, which is usually annealing. It goes through a final inspection process where the spools are put into corrosion inhibitor bags. Then they're boxed up. Everything is labeled. The spools are labeled. The boxes are labeled. The boxes go onto the skid. It will get banded up with steel strapping. It will get shrink wrapped. And then all the information from the work order, customer's name, address, which truck line they want to use, all gets generated as packing slips and bill of ladings for the trucks to pick them up and off they go to the customer. My definition of a leader, I think a leader is more of a helper, a guider who's going to make other people be better and do better at their job. It's going to have the knowledge and the background to be able to instill some of the experience that he or she has over the years and guide people or employees through different aspects of the operation. I think one of the most important operations, one of the most important things that a salesperson or anybody in production or quality control needs to know is what to do when things don't go right, because they don't go right a lot of the time. So to be able to troubleshoot and pinpoint and fix problems is one of the key areas I like to help out in as a leader.